good morning everyone. We had some Aussie data overnight. Looked like it beat, but the confidence was a miss. Okay, so just bear that in mind. The only other high severity data we have is the Euro IFO business climate from Germany. It's 2 hours 38 minutes time, and that's it from a high severity perspective. And of course, it's the calm before the storm because of we got that, and then we got this. So it's going to be a hugely volatile day tomorrow. It might be like a calm day today. If we look at the risk calculation, we are nearing risk off scenario because the 24-hour difference over time is reducing that number and it's bringing it closer to zero. If we go above zero and we go into positive territory, retail guys are going to be net long. And that's going to be quite bearish because normally the retail guys are wrong and they're counter trend. So if they're buying risk, then that's going to be like a big warning sign, right? And so keep an eye on this VIX as well. I'll just reset this. That's a good job I remembered. And so yeah, maybe by Friday we're going to be risk off. So do be careful. Let's talk about the bubbles quickly. Dollar's strong and the CAD is weak. However, because of tomorrow's calendar, I wouldn't look to hold any trade, particularly for any point of time. Maybe dip in and out, but I wouldn't hold it. I wouldn't have any swing trades. In fact, it could just be this week is just not suitable for like medium term, long term positioning. Just in and out, I think. Pound's going to probably go into the strong sell section. I did see that last week, but it's just like veering left and right, and I think eventually it's going to give up, but it's going to be a sell. So keep an eye on that pound bubble. So that's that. Let's look at some charts. Make it a quick video today. So remember to keep an eye on your monthly pivot and your sentiment and the dynamics. So they shorted it on AJ, so it could be a buy, but we need it to cross the 50% line. SLC above 81.80, 80.65. We'll do EJ. We'll go to pound yen and we'll do dollar yen. So there's that channel. On above is 129.30, 128.35. This is monthly support 1. Okay, so that came into play at 128.57. Monthly pivots here. We are a sell and they're going long. So that it should probably come down and probably break monthly support 1. But you see how it tested it, so it might come into play again. It's obviously quite a strong level. It's a monthly support. Pound yen. Where are we? Come on. Make it a quick video today. There's your monthly pivot. So I was saying wait until that breaks, and it has. We are a buy, however, still, and they're selling it ever so slightly. There's a mismatch there. We want them to continue in order for this to fall, but they're not continuing, they're reversing. So one above is 155.03, one below is 152.79. There's that level as well, which I talked about yesterday. You know, the support resistance level up there. Dollar yen. We'll look at the dollar CAD because it is on the bubbles a buy. One above 114.11, one below is 113.45. That's ADR low and the stop loss cluster, so they're being quite savvy there. Monthly pivots here, we are pretty much 50-50 to be honest, so it's a little bit undecided and it's very sideways, so that agrees with that, is that it's very sideways and it's undecided. Technically a sell because we're below monthly pivot. Let's look at dollar CAD, the euro, Aussie and pound, and then I'll wrap up. So, well, there's monthly pivot there, so I'll probably wait for that to break first. We are a sell at the high level, but 50-50 pretty much. One below is 126.13, one above is 127. They sold it, so you know there's that reason for the bubble movement there. So if they continue, up will come. But there's your monthly pivot, so I'll probably wait for that to break. And we've got end of month flows as well, so you know, portfolios and hedge funds closing positions for the month, so it's going to be quite volatile end to the week, especially tomorrow. Look at Aussie, do pound and euro, So there's your monthly pivot. One above is large at 71.80. One below is at monthly support 1 at 70.86. So that's that. They sold it, so that disagrees with the high level. There's a mismatch. Pound. Monthly pivot's there, so it's still technically okay. One above is 1366, one below is 1344. We are a sell, and they went long, and that's sideways. So you'd want them to buy in order for this to fall to get that stop loss cluster. And last but not least, we'll do the euro. And we have been a sell for a while. Sideways. Monthly pivot's there, it's 113.31. I said on the technical channel a few times, keep an eye on that level. One above is 113.35, one below is 112.85. Volume node here at 113.25. So a lot of activity there. 123.25. Lots of buying and selling there. So there could be a level of resistance currently because we're below. Okay. And that's that. So you knew that the indices went absolutely roller coaster yesterday. So what you could just do is look at one of these charts, and yeah, we had the big bounce. It hit monthly support 3, which I'd never seen before ever. I'd never seen the S&P hit monthly support 3. So we had oversold. 4266 was that level. If we come back below monthly support 3, then it's going to be really, really bearish. Okay, so keep an eye on that level. Monthly support 2 is currently resistance at 4380. So if we get monthly support 2, up will come. Of course, we're below S2, we'll go to S3. Alright, so keep it simple. Use that line as like a gauge. That's that, and have a good day. And got a very crazy day tomorrow, so I'll do a video for tomorrow and see how we go. Have a good day.